If you want to hide photos and videos on Google Pixel 10 Pro XL, then in that case we can open the Photos app. We can, for example, open the photo or video that we wish to hide, and now we can tap on Add to at the bottom, and then over here we have the locked folder option. So if you select it, then we can press continue, and then confirm that you want to move to the locked folder. There we go, simple as that. You can of course select multiple items at once, so you can press and hold your finger on the first photo or video in order to select it, and then we can include multiple different photos and videos at once. We can either choose to add to, well, actually we cannot add to album. Let me actually scroll this down. We should be able to scroll here in order to find move to locked folder. There we go, the last option in here. So if you select this option, then we should be able to actually move to the locked folder. There we go. And we can immediately tap on view if you see this prompt, or you can go to collections, and over here you should be able to find the locked option. Now in this case we need to set up the screen lock in order to be able to open the locked folder, because I don't have screen lock set up yet. But once you set it up, then of course you can use the same password that you used to unlock your phone to access the locked folder. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.